vegetable, is a protein source commonly used in cooking and traditional diets. The scientific name of wing bean is Saphocarpus otagonolobus. Wing bean is propagated through seeds. Seeds are soaked in water for 12 to 24 hours to accelerate germination. Seeds are then sown directly in well-drained, fertile soil or in raised garden beds. Trellises or supports are recommended since wing bean is a climbing vine. Wing bean thrives in full sunlight and regular watering to maintain soil moisture. Wing bean pods are typically ready to harvest 60 to 75 days after planting. Wing bean pods should be harvested while young, tender, and crisp for optimal taste. Wing bean is used in a variety of dishes such as stir-fried wing bean pods, wing bean leaves in soups or stews, traditional Filipino dishes such as ginataang gulay. Wing bean has multiple health benefits. It is high in protein and dietary fiber. It contains vitamin A, C, K. It is rich in minerals such as potassium, iron, and calcium. It is low in fat, promoting heart-healthy diets. I have learned so much through planting. I have learned how to cultivate plants and how to take care of them.
This is tomato. Tomato locally
And high nutritional content, with the scientific name of tomato is Solanum icopersicum. Let's proceed to planting. Tomato propagated through seeds. Seeds are sown in seed trays or directly in prepared garden. Light covering of soil is recommended. Seedlings are transplanted to main garden plots once they reach 15 to 20 cm in height, and proper spacing of 50 to 60 cm between plants ensures healthy growth. Tomato require regular watering, especially during dry periods. Tomato is ready to harvest 50 to 60 days after planting, depending on the variety of the plant. Tomato fruits are ready to harvest when they reach full color, red, yellow, and orange. Tomato is used in culinary dishes like sandwiches, sauces, and soups. I learned in Pilar Hidalgo Lim Troop Project. I learned how to sweep the ground, care for them, and cut the dry leaves.
known as kangkong is a fast-growing aquatic or semi-aquatic leafy vegetable widely cultivated in the Philippines. It is prized for its tender stems and leaves. Water spinach is highly nutritious, easy to grow, and adaptable from different water and soil conditions. The scientific name of water spinach is Ipomea aquatica. Water spinach thrives in full sunlight and frequent watering if planted in soil. Fertilization with organic compost or liquid fertilizer promotes optimal growth. Tender stems and leaves are ready for harvest 3 to 5 weeks after planting. Continuous harvesting encourages new shoots. It is recommended to cultivate water spinach in home, school, and community gardens due to its fast growth, easy maintenance, and highly nutritional value. I have learned my responsibility by checking the garden every day and how seed and seedlings grow.
This is the sweet potato. It's a nutritious root crop, widely cultivated in the Philippines. It is valued for starchy tubers and edible leaves. Kamote is easy to grow and provides a reliable source of carbohydrates and essential nutrients. With the scientific name of the kamote is Ipomea batatas. Kamote is propagated to vine cuttings. Healthy cuttings of 20 to 30 centimeters are planted horizontally in well-drained fertile soil. Spacing of 30 to 40 centimeters between plants and 80 to 100 meters between rows allows proper growth. Kamote tubers are ready to harvest from 3 to 5 months after planting, depending on the variety and growing conditions. Kamote is also used in various dishes such as sweet desserts like kamote pie, jam and chips. Leaves used in soups, stews, and stir-fried dishes. Kamote has health benefits like rich and complex carbohydrates, providing sustained energy. High in dietary fiber, aiding digestion. Contains vitamins A and C. And in our Pilar Hidalgo Lim Troop, I have learned how to take care of the plants and to our garden, like removing the pests, removing dry leaves, and also sweeping the ground.
Lettuce, the scientific name. I learned how to take care of plants by watering the plants and removing the pests.
Petchay lettuce or bok choy is planted through two ways, hydroponics and sa lupa. Ang hydroponics ay 45 days na, about to harvest na, habang sa lupa ay 30 days pa. Ang mga puno at mga halaman nito ay binibinigay sa barangay officials, habang ang mga seedlings ay ibinigay sa community. Moringa, locally known as malunggay, is a fast-growing, highly nutritious tree widely cultivated in the Philippines. It is valued for its leaves, seeds, flowers, and pods, all of which are edible and rich in nutrients. Malunggay is commonly used in soups such as tinola or sinigang, stews, and traditional remedies. The scientific name of malunggay is Moringa oleifera. Malunggay is propagated using seeds or stem cuttings. Seeds can be sown directly in well-drained soil, while cuttings of 30 to 50 centimeters can be planted in fertile soil. Adequate spacing of 2 to 3 meters between plants enhances plant growth. Malunggay thrives in full sunlight and can tolerate a variety of soil conditions, though well-drained and fertile soil works the best. Malunggay has multiple health benefits. It contains vitamin A, C, E, and it is also rich in minerals such as potassium and calcium. I have learned the importance of responsibility, patience, and teamwork.
Alum pistillosum. Alum pistillosum is ready to harvest 30 to 60 days after planting. Green onion uses in culinary dishes like noodles and many more. I learned in Pilari Dagulim True Project, I learned how to spray the pests, removing the dry leaves, and also take care for them. Calamansi, locally known as lemoncito, is a small citrus fruit widely cultivated in the Philippines. It is prized for its tangy flavor, versatility in cooking, and medicinal properties. Calamansi is commonly used as beverage ingredients, flavoring agents, and natural remedy. The scientific name of calamansi is Citrus microcarpa. Calamansi thrives in full sunlight and moderate watering, avoiding waterlogging. Fertilization with organic compost or balanced NPK fertilizer promotes healthy growth. Calamansi are usually ready for harvest 6 to 12 months after planting, depending on the variety and growing conditions. Fruits are harvested when they are fully green with a hint of yellow and slightly soft to the touch. It is recommended to cultivate calamansi in home, school, and community gardens. Proper care, pruning, and timely harvesting encourage high quality fruit. I learned how seed and seedlings grow and teamwork by helping others. Sweet orange flesh and edible seeds. Papaya is commonly consumed fresh or used in various dishes and beverages. The scientific name of the papaya is Carica papaya. Papaya is propagated to seeds. Fresh, ripe seeds are cleaned and sown in seedbeds or containers with well-drained fertile soil. Papaya trees typically begin to bear fruit from 6 to 12 months after planting, depending on the variety and growing conditions. Fruits are harvested when they start to change color from green to yellow-orange and a slightly soft to touch. Papaya is also used in sweet desserts such as ice creams and smoothies. Papaya also contains papain, an enzyme that aids digestion. I know how to plant, like vegetables, flowers, and herbs.
But ginger is used as a spice in beverages and as a natural remedy for digestive and respiratory health. The scientific name of ginger is Zingiber officinale. Ginger is propagated using rhizome segments with clean buds. Rhizomes are planted horizontally in well-drained fertile soil at a depth of 5 to 10 centimeters. Ginger thrives in partial shade and consistent moisture, but not excessive waterlogging. Ginger is used of numerous dishes and beverages, such as flavoring in soups and stews, and herbal teas and beverages such as ginger tea. Ginger contains gingerol, a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Tanglad. Ito ang tanglad. Ito ay ginagamit sa panglasa sa sabaw at gamot sa high blood. Ang tanglad ay pwede itanim kahit saan. Eggplant, commonly known as dalong, is a widely grown vegetable in the Philippines. The scientific name of talong is Solanum melongena. First, planting. Sow the eggplant seeds in seed trays or seed beds. Water regularly to maintain moisture. Transplant seedlings after 2 to 3 weeks when they are strong enough. Talong is ready for harvest 60 to 80 days after planting. Talong is used in numerous dishes such as tortang talong, grilled eggplant, and pinakbet. Talong has multiple health benefits. It is high in fiber for better digestion. It contains antioxidants that helps prevent diseases. I have learned patience to watering the plants daily and waiting for them to grow. Thank you, and
Okra or lady's finger is a widely grown vegetable in tropical and subtropical regions, including the Philippines. It is valued for its edible pods, high nutritional contents, and the scientific name of okra is Abelmostius esculentus. And okra ready to harvest 50 to 65 days after planting. Okra is used in culinary dishes like pritong okra, nilagang okra, and many more. I learned in Pilar Hidalgo Lim through project. I learned how plants grow to be a gorgeous and nice plant. Thank you for listening. Chili watering, avoiding waterlogging. Fertilization with organic compost or NPK fertilizer promotes vigorous growth. The chili pepper are ready for harvest 60 to 90 days after planting. Continuous harvesting encourages new shoots. It is recommended to cultivate chili pepper in home, school, and community gardens due to its fast growth, versatility in culinary, and healthy benefits. I learned patience. I learned importance of discipline and patience. That's all, and thank you. Bitter melon, locally known as a palaya, is a tropical vine widely grown in the Philippines for its edible fruit. It is valued for its distinctive bitter flavor and high nutritional content. With the scientific name, ito ang palaya is Momordica charantia. Ang palaya is propagated through seeds. Seeds are soaked in water for several hours to encourage germination before sowing. Ang palaya is ready to harvest from 60 to 80 days after planting, depending on the variety. Fruits are harvested while still firm green or slightly immature for the best taste. Ampalaya is used in various dishes such as pickled ampalaya, gisang ampalaya in soups, stews, and stir-fried dishes. And that's all. Thank you so much for listening. Alupante. It is a fast-growing leafy vegetable widely grown in the Philippines. It is valued for its nutritional benefits, culinary versatility in cooking. This is what I learned in Pilar Hidalgo. I learned the value of healthy vegetables. That's all. Thank you for listening. Kilo ng talong ay 70 pesos. Ang kilo ng pechay ay 80 pesos. Ang bundle ng sibuyas dahon ay 10 pesos. Meron po kaming tanim na kalabasa, pipino at ampalaya, pero namatay po ito dahil sa init ng panahon. Pero may tanim po kaming bago. Kung itatanong po kayo kung sino po ang bumibili sa aming mga ibinenta na gulay, iyon ay mga parents, community, and also teachers. Ang aming pera po na nakuha sa aming pagbebenta ay itinulong namin sa Girl Scout activities, feeding program, at ang natira ay binili namin ng seedling. Ang bundle ng alugbate is 20 pesos, ang bundle ng tanglad is 10 pesos. Ang kilo ng kamatis ay 60 pesos, ang kilo ng okra ay 40 pesos, ang pack ng limosito ay 20 pesos. Pero ba mabili kasi sa tindahan, ang tatlong limosito ay 5 pesos.
Yes.
Ang kilo ng lettuce ay 150 pesos. Ang kilo ng ginger ay 200 pesos.
Mm.
New project was conceptualized in the year 2000 to encourage young girls to exemplify the Girl Scout promise and law by being proactive in community development. Pilar Hidalgo Lim is the Lola of the GSP National President, Nina Yuson.
Yay!
Badges. At ito ang mga badges. The PHL Troop Project is a gardening under challenge of environment and economic self-sufficiency.
Yay!